Hello creatives. So this guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beaded lanyard for your face mask. Okay, I'm going to give you two different options. One with beads, where it be for children, for kids, and adults preferably, but this one will be more for children. And then I'm going to show you how to make a nice leather one for who wants to be all nice and crafty and fashionable. But let's go. Here we go. Both of these items I'm actually trying for the first time, and I'm very excited to try them with you guys. So come along with the ride with me and let's have fun making some lanyard for face masks. All right, guys, let's get to it. Little Mandy would say. Okay, guys.
So hey guys. So today we're gonna be making Mom.
Today, guys, we're gonna be making lanyard for your face mask. So I'm gonna. All right, guys. So as I stated, you will need beads. All right, Manny has her letter beads here that she has already ready with her name, and some other pretty glossy beads she's gonna use. You know, again, your scissors and your stretchy cord string. Okay, so I started the inner ring for you guys just to show you, beginning to make this fast for the duration of this video. So right here we have the clasps, right? Then we have the crimp bead, and now she's gonna slide the beads on and begin. But what we first do is we're gonna measure her neck with the cord. See? Just to make sure, to give it a little hanging length. So you make sure you measure. So you see, we're gonna measure right here.
Make sure you come below.
Okay. So we're gonna measure, right? Just so it can hang. It won't hang too much. So I mean, I could use a we could use a ruler.
Don't neck.
No, I'm gonna cut your neck. Safety first. So I cut some string, just to measure her neck where we want it to hang. Right? Or you can just use a ruler and use a basic average size. Okay? Alright, so here we go. We're making lanyard, like I said. So here we go, Max. So now Manny's gonna string. Here, string on your beads. Don't put the names on yet. Just string on any color you would like.
Okay.
So we're gonna start it. These are the activity trays, guys, from the Dollar Tree. Really nice for sorting your beads. You can take a look in the previous Dollar Tree video I did and tell you more about these guys.
And you can go get them at Dollar Tree if you want.
Alright, go. So start stringing your beads. Start stringing your beads. Start string your beads. Ow! String your beads.
I'm gonna try some blue first and then some pink. Because
okay, so you're gonna put them on.
I think they can go.
We won't use all the beads and do them in the video. We're just gonna string some just to show you. Just a quick little of it, and that's it.
And if you guys wanna make them, just comment down below. If you guys wanna make them, just comment down below.
Okay, so let me show you.
First, then I'll put some pink. Because you know how I like pink. So pink is my favorite, and other colors I like. But I'm just gonna say pink. I'm not gonna put a lot of pink because my name needs on here too.
So this is start what I show you guys. And we're
gonna so my mom just helping me with things.
This is so far. Getting there, guys. Getting there. So far.
Now!
So now we're going to add on her letters. Alright guys, so she finally finished it. Alright guys, so look how this beauty came out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
I'm gonna make another one.
Okay, this side has the clasp that I told you and the crimp bead. So now we're gonna add the next, close up the other side. Taking a crimp bead, pushing it right in, right here, in that hole. Pull it down, right? Now we're going to take the next closure next clasp, right? Put it in that hole, pull it through to form a loop, and put the next string inside of the crimp bead, squeezing in. It's a little tight, so it may give you a little fight. Some crimpy holes are big, wide enough for the string, and some are not. Okay, guys, so we got it back in after coming out, and so here's a jump ring. I mean the crimp bead. So here's a here's a crimp bead on it, and then there's the clasp. So double looping it right through, right? Very easy. See that? And then push it right through to make the double. Now what I do is I put my beads in to hold that in place. Just giving a few extra, just to hold it. And when we close it up, we'll just use some, do like 2 or 3. Some people do 1, but that's me, just to give it a little reinforcement. That one didn't go through. Alright, so this one doesn't want to go through, guys. Anyway, so see, there you go. And now pulling it until it just locks in place. And that's it. Alright, see? And then all you do now, after doing that, is using your crimp pliers right here, and you just seal it. Now I'll put some glue. I don't have to do it like this. I'll put some glue. I didn't do the other side. I wasn't ready to close, but now I'm going to close it up instead of leaving it. Yeah. So now it's locked in place. You put a little bit of tiny bit of glue just to keep it. That way it won't come out. And right after that, you can use that. I'm just going to use the wire cutter, which is much better than the scissors. But you can use either one, it's fine. So you just, right, there you go. And if it's sticking out, you just push it right through the double. And look at that, guys. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
I'm gonna see if I could come up and show you a different way we could use where if this is too complicated for individuals to use the clasps. I'm gonna show you a different way, not today, in another video, as soon as I master it, and I'll show you guys how to do it easily without clasps, so you could just put it on easy on your kid's mask. Quick, easy, and go. But for now, in this video, this one is showing with the clasps and your child's name or whoever's name and some beads, jazz it up however you like, and here you have it, a lanyard for your face mask. So let's test this baby out. Are you ready, Mandy? This is so cute. All right, guys. So now let's test it up. She has her face mask on, right?
Ah!
Come down. Put your face
mask. I'm outside, right?
Yeah. So she has her face mask on, and that's all you do. You clip it. You take off the jump ring. No longer needed.
I don't use this mask. I just use other masks. But don't worry, I just gonna use this mask. I'm just going to use this mask tomorrow, I think.
And look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. Baby, so now, when she doesn't want to wear her face mask and she is tired, like, I need to breathe, Mommy, I can't breathe, take it right off. Oops, we did it wrong. This was supposed to be around your neck.
Oops, we did it wrong. We did it wrong. Oops, we did it wrong. We did it wrong. Oops.
Better when you're on your face, so it could slide in easy. So let's try it. Let's show them again. Now it's upside down. This time for a new face mask. This one is messed up, but it's okay. I got it upside down. So now we take it off. See, there you go, and it wait. Let's show them, and it just stays like that. So when she's not wearing her face mask, and there you have it, lanyard for your face mask. Your mask to just hang on a chain, and you have it. You don't have to worry about putting your bag or anything. It stays right
there. Oh, you don't
there.
need to put on wrist or nothing?
Yep, and then you ready? Just put your mask right back on, and there you have it.
When you go in the store.
Alright, guys. It's lanyard. So it's lanyard size necklace. But for now, it's a lanyard for the face mask, right? To keep it on that beautiful neck of yours, of your child. So you're gonna have your neck, to personalize it with their name and some fancy beads. Whatever beads, don't have beads. It could be any kind of beads. But I just love anything that sparkles, so I just jazz it up. Now, It could also, when your child or you or whoever doesn't feel like wearing it as the lanyard, it could turn into a necklace. How cool is that? Take it and look at this.
Make it.
This one I added a only because the clasp wasn't going through. I added a jump ring to it.
You're choking my neck.
I'm sorry. We are not intended to choke you, Mamacita.
Wait, you're choking me
okay,
now.
so there we go. So look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful?
You can put it on you. You can put it on your leg, or you can put it on
Look at that.
you.
See, it's not too stretchy.
Mom,
beautiful.
you can put it on your leg, or you can put it on your neck, or you can put it on your mask. Whatever you can do with your bracelets. I mean, with your last thing, but I don't know what it's called.
Your lanyard or your necklace. More videos like this, guys. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and let us know what you think.
Comment down below if you like this. Just comment down below and get this free.
It is free because we are doing a DIY to show you how to do it yourself.
Yeah.
But if you like it, you would like us to make it for you.
And if you want,
send us a message and we'll make it for you. And also, you know what? Now that my daughter said that, I will make one of these and I would definitely run a little contest for you guys and give it away free. So say thank you to my Manny for that idea. Turn it up.
And if you comment down below, just go on my mom page or my page and you can get it on free.
Right. So look out for that. We'll be giving away one of these beautiful neck lanyards.
But not mine. Not mine.
But it will just have an inspiration message on it only because unless we could do it made to order and we will put your name on it. You just, whoever wins, tell us your name and we'll put your name right on this beautiful
comment down below. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.